guys?
How's the Hawaii trip?
It was dope, man. Fresh back from the islands. I feel like I'm honorary Polynesian. It was super fun, man. Zone out. Think about life, be in the moment. You know, that's what I was doing, and just experiencing new things. It was my first time taking a real, like, full vacation. I don't take vacations. I take work trips. So, first vacation, I just fucking did a whole lot of nothing. I went ziplining, shit, a bunch of stuff like that. But for the most part, it was chilling and shit. So. But now I'm really glad to be back because this is where I belong, and this is like, you know, my home. So back working on a sleeve right now. This is our second session. We got the third session tomorrow, and by tomorrow we'll have the whole outside of his arm completely tattooed. Good luck. What's up, Sia? Yes, sir. What's happening? Young 9 here, Dylan, 9 name. Oh, Cassie, I'm going fucking crazy, bro. What? Drink water, kids. Stay hydrated. You know. Get them dry, crusty lips out of here. Ain't no body wanna kiss them. Never mind, bro. I gotta go do these white highlights. Fuck you guys.
You almost done?
I just gotta do white highlights.
Nice. Then the rest will be tomorrow, bro. What's up, man?
There you go, right?
Good. Yeah.
Looking good, huh?
What's the inspiration behind this?
Just like I wanted some really cool ass tattoo, and he came up with the design, and that's it. I had just given him like a little bit, wanted some Greek style, and that's all in.
You just gave it the general
Yeah,
idea.
just a little idea, and then
You're like, I like the Greek look. I like the.
Yeah, that's it. Very happy with it.
Finish this session out. Dude, when I was in Hawaii, I was out in the middle of the ocean, and there was like nobody out there except this one other dude that was swimming by me, and he looks up and he's like, dude, your fucking eyes shine. And I was like, dude, we're in the middle of the ocean. He's like, dude, no one's gonna believe me that I was in the ocean in Hawaii and ran by you. You gotta let me get a picture with you when we get to the beach. And I was like, yeah, for sure. And yeah, so that was kind of cool. I mean, there was multiple people that saw me there, but the one in the ocean was like the thing. You know what I'm saying? 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 You know. Building values to create lines and separation of elements throughout a composition sleeve. Yeah. Alright, buddy, go check that one out.
Alright. Little snakes. The white. Yeah, I've seen it right now.
Little dots in the body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sick.
Yeah, they're like pop a little highlight into the eye.
Sick. Happy costumer. This is sick. Really happy.
I love putting the wing right there though, because that elbow bend is like, that is like the flow of it. And when we got that other piece up there tomorrow, that flow is gonna make hella sense. Because right now that's just like a random wing. But tomorrow it'll be like, yeah, and it'll be like, oh, it's coming from the girl up there. Oh, the shield is gonna go, oh, I get it. Like, you know what I mean?
The snake right here looks like the teeth are white.
Yeah, dude, I did that and I didn't even know if I was gonna be able to do it that small, but then when I just did it, I was like, oh, that's
Perfect.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah. Love it, man.
Yeah, man. Second session, third session tomorrow.
What I think? I'm really happy. Super happy. I love it. I can't wait to see tomorrow what it's gonna be. Yeah. Sick. I really like what you do with the white. Super cool. Yeah, man. Dudes is like insane.
That's like, I'm jealous of this and this part.
That?
Yeah, that little wrist part.
I
is
love that a lot.
Okay, let's wrap it up. Day 3, baby, on the sleeve. I'm excited for today. This guy's fucking sitting like a beast. He sat through a whole session yesterday, and today we're gonna knock out the last session on the outside of his arm. And fuck, man, I guess we'll see how it turns out. CEO's in the building today, so we'll check out what he's working on and shit. So my client is originally from Paris, I believe. He moved out to California not that long ago, and as soon as he heard about me, he set some appointments and shit. First appointment, he was a little skeptical about the process and doing the sleeves and just how we were tackling it and stuff, but after I explained everything to him and got him real comfortable with me, he's a really cool dude, man, and he's like all in about it now. The first 2 sessions we did on him went great, so that was enough for him to really dive in with what we got going on and stuff. So now he's a client for life, and I'm sure he's gonna get more than just this sleeve.
Yeah.
That's really fun.
We're gonna go to Coconut City this year.
Yeah. Is it your birthday?
No. Mine?
Oh,
No.
about you today.
I'm spoiled.
I wish I had a best friend like that.
Happy birthday.
It's not my
What are you doing right now?
We're gonna take heel pictures of Charlie's tattoo that we did at the convention in LA. That's cool.
Oh, hi guys. Nice to see you. Don't mind me, I'm just getting a needle, you know. I just forgot a needle, and I was gonna have Jessa get it for me, but I didn't want to yell at her because she just got here, and I missed her, and I missed everybody. So, yeah, that way. Back to work.
You're bigger or small?
What are you tattooing?
A cupcake. When people say, can you even freehand any tattoos anymore? Of course.
What's the meaning behind a cupcake?
I'm a cake decorator, so
Oh,
yeah.
perfect. What's your Instagram?
Me?
Yeah.
Charlie Cakes. Okay, follow me at Charlie Cakes on Instagram. I can't do this.